नमस्कार दोस्तों, मिलाने वाले हैं अपने सबसे छोटे स्टूडेंट से। तो देखते हैं इन्होंने क्या-क्या सीखा इतने दिनों में। तो तुम तैयार हो?
Yes,
ओके। व्हाट्स योर नेम?
my name is Utkarsh.
व्हाट्स योर नेम?
My name is Utkarsh.
ओके, उत्कर्ष। वेयर डू यू लिव?
I live in Atlanta.
ओके, एंड डिड यू टेक lunch?
Yes, I do. Yes.
Okay, very good. And did you complete your homework?
I complete your
My homework. Very good. Do you have a mobile? Okay. What's your favorite color?
my favorite color is pink.
What's your favorite color?
My favorite color is
Okay. What's your favorite game?
my favorite game is carom board.
Okay. Carrom. Do you like carrom board? Okay. What's your favorite animal?
My favorite animal is cow.
Okay. Do you like milk?
Yes, I like it.
Okay. That's why your favorite animal cow. Okay. Yeah. And what do you like when you free? What's your favorite hobby?
My favorite hobby is English.
Okay. What's your favorite hobby?
My favorite hobby is English.
Speaking English. Okay, okay. And what's your favorite hobby?
My favorite hobby is cooking. Cooking.
नहीं, कोई दूसरी आपकी फेवरेट हॉबी है? कौन सा फेवरेट हॉबी is
My favorite hobby is speaking Hindi.
what's your mother language?
My mother
Language
language
is Hindi.
is
And where do you live?
I live in Atlanta.
What's your father's name?
My father's name is Hardeep.
What's your mother's name?
My mother's name is Miss.
Okay. What's your uncle's name?
My uncle's name is Mr.
Mhm.
Babu.
Okay. What's your auntie's name?
My auntie
Auntie's name.
auntie's name is
Okay.
Mrs.
Mhm.
West.
Okay, very good. That's correct. And do you like momos?
Yes,
Okay, okay. What's your favorite food?
my favorite food is
Okay, you like paneer. You like paneer. Okay. And what's your favorite city? What's your favorite city?
my favorite city is
No, Chandigarh. Okay. What's your favorite city?
my favorite
Okay, okay. Do you like sweet?
yes, I like it.
Which sweet do you like? कौन सी मिठाई आपको पसंद है? यही वाली। So क्या बोलते हैं? पापड़ी, सोन पापड़ी. You like सोन पापड़ी. Okay. And do you like snacks?
Yes, yes, I like
Do you like chips?
it.
Okay. Do you like cricket?
Yes, I like it.
Okay, okay. इधर देखना, इधर उधर नहीं देखना. Okay. Do you like reading?
Yes, I like it.
Okay, okay. What's your favorite subject?
My favorite subject is English.
Okay. Okay. Do you run fast?
Yes, I like.
Okay. Uh, do you jump high jump? Do you jump?
Yes, I jump fast.
Okay. Do you, uh, do you write your homework?
Yes,
My work. Okay. Okay. Do you like reading book?
Yes, I like reading book.
Do you like cooking?
Yes, I like and yes, I like cooking.
Uh, your favorite hobby is cooking. Yes and no?
No, I don't cooking.
No, I don't like. No, I
No,
don't like cooking. Okay. What's your favorite bird? What's your favorite bird?
no, I don't.
No. So, my favorite bird is peacock and bird.
My, my favorite bird is
What's your favorite bird?
my favorite bird is
Peacock. Okay. Utkarsh, what's your favorite country?
my favorite country is India.
Oh, your favorite country is India. Also, I love India. Okay. Do you have a bike?
No, no, I don't have a bike.
Okay. Do you have a new bike?
No, I don't have new bike.
Okay, bike. Okay. Do you have parents? मम्मी पापा आपके हैं?
Yes, I
Hello?
yes I have
Parents.
parents.
Okay. Do you have uncle? Do you have uncle?
Yes, I have uncle.
Okay. Do you have auntie?
Yes, I have
Uh,
auntie.
do you have any sibling?
Yes, I have one brother and one sister.
Okay. Mr. Do you love brother and sister?
Yes, I love brother and sister.
Okay. Do you love mother and father?
Yes, yes, I love father and mother.
Okay. ये डेमो है अभी पहली बार कैमरे के सामने आए हम थोड़ा डरते हैं तो इनको थोड़ा ट्रेन करेंगे और अगले वीडियो में आपको मिलाएंगे तो बहुत कुछ आता है बहुत कम समय में वीडियो देखने का है और तब तक के लिए बाय बाय टेक केयर सी यू शूर